ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Yesterday we saw in the Bhashya, Kandva Shakya, Shukla Yajurvediya, Brahadaranyaka Upanishad, page number 68. In that, yesterday we saw Agni Aditya. Agni and Aditya. Agni is Parthiva Agni, Aditya Surya Savita. They are Arka Ashwamedhau. Arka Shabda Prayoga was done in Agni because it is given in the mantra itself. And they are Kratu Phale. This was the first line of 68. Arka Ashwamedhau Kratu Phale. Kratu Shabda is used for Agni also. And Ashwamedha is also called Kratu. Okay. Here, first you start with Arka as Agni. We have to see Tika now, second line, page number 68. Yatha Visheshitatvam Aditya Kraturupatvam. Yatha Visheshitatvam Aditya Kraturupatvam. Aditya means Surya. Surya is also called Kratu. Now, a question is raised. कुतस्तस्य च अर्कस्य क्रतुरूपत्वं साधनत्वेन भेदात् इति आशंक्य उपचारात् इत्याह. You say tasya means agnehe. Agni is called kratu, and you are saying Aditya is kratu. How Agni is kratu first of all? Arkasya kratu rupatvam kutaha. See, Agni is the means. Kratu means yajna. Correct? Agni is the means to perform the yajna. So Agni is sadhana, yajna, or kratu is sadhya. So therefore, as a sadhana, he is using kratu shabda for Agni, which actually will help you in accomplishing kratu. This is the upachara. See in Bhashya. अर्को यह पार्थिवोग्नि ही साक्षात् क्रतुरूप क्रियात्मकः क्रतोः अग्निसाध्यत्वात् तद्रूपेण एव निर्देशः. Agni, right? Parthiva Agni means this Agni which is there on Prithvi. Prithvehe Prithivyaha ayam Parthivam. That which is belonging to Prithvi. Parthivam. Prithivyaha ayam Parthivaha. Sorry. Prithivyaha ayam Parthiva. Pulling. Sa Sakshat Kraturupaha. That is actual Kraturupaha. Why? Kriyatmakaha Kratoho Agni Sadhyatvat. Kratu, Yajna, is Agni Sadhya. It is accomplished through Agni. Kratu, Yajna, is Agni Sadhya. It is accomplished through Agni. Kratu, Yajna, is Agni Sadhya. It is accomplished through Agni. Kratu, Yajna, is Agni Sadhya. It is accomplished through Agni. देयरफॉर तद रूपेण एव निर्देशः, क्रतु रूपेण एव तस्य निर्देशः। ठीक है। So the sentence here starts with the pratika is kriyatmaka. Kriyatmakah kratoho agni sadhyatvat. Kriyatmaka kratu. Here kratu is what? Yajna. Kriyatmakah kratu is yajna. That yajna is agni sadhya. Agni sadhya is samasa. How the vigraha will be? Agnina sadhya. तृतीया अग्निना साध्य, अग्निना साध्यत्वात् अग्निरूपेण एव निर्देशः, सॉरी क्रतुरूपेण एव निर्देशः, अग्नि विल हैव क्रतुरूपेण निर्देशः। फर्दर इन टीका तथापि कथम आदित्यस्य क्रतु तादात्म्य उक्तिः। नाउ हाउ डू यू से आदित्य also is one with क्रतु? Agni is one with Kratu, you explained as Agni is sadhana, Kratu is sadhya. Now, how Aditya has Kratu tadatmya? Means how in Aditya also you are using Kratu Shabda? Iti ashankyaha. Kratu sadhyatvat cha phalasya. Kratu rupena eva nirdeshaha Adityo Ashwamedha iti. Kratu sadhyatvat. Yajna sadhya is your phalam. The result you will get at the end of good performance of the ritual. So kratu sadhya is your phalam. Phalam is hiranyagarbha, or here it is referred as aditya. So that which is kratu sadhya is called kratu. That which was agni sadhya, so agni was called kratu. See, agni sadhya is kratu. Kratu sadhya is aditya. Correct? So what they are saying, Agni is sadhana, Kratu is sadhya. Therefore, in Agni I can use the word Kratu. Kratu is sadhana, Aditya or Hiranyagarbha is sadhya. Therefore, in Aditya I can use the word Kratu. Kratu rupena eva nirdeshaha phalasya. Adityo Ashwamedha iti. Everybody understood?
Yes, Swamiji.
Everybody understood or not? See, in
Yes, Swami.
they can
Yes,
use
Swamiji.
different kind of etymologies. Like for example, Kamaha, this shabda comes in many places, like in Bhagavad Gita. Prajahati, not Prajahati, in that Apuryamanam Achala Pratishtham Samudramapa Pravishanti Yatvat. Tadvat Kamaha Pravishanti Sarve Sashanti Mapnoti Nakama Kami. Oh, Kamaha. Kamaha, what is Kamaha? Kama Shabda, singular, is what? Kama, if you look in dictionary. Kama means desire. But they say, Kamyate iti kamaha vishayaha. That which is desired is also called Kama. Desire is called Kama. What is desired is also called Kama. Yajna Shabda. Yajate iti yajna. Yajyate anena. That by which somebody is worshipped. That somebody will be Vishnu. He is also called Yajna. That's why Yagnyo by Vishnu. In Bhashya also you will see many times. Bhagavan is called Yajna. That's why in Gita there is a shloka. Yajnarthat karmanonyatra lokoyam karma bandhana. Lokaha, this world, karma bandhana. If you do any karma for anybody other than Yajna, means anybody other than Vishnu Bhagavan, means Paramatma, then that karma is bandhana. So Yajna Shabda, you say Yajna means some offering somewhere. How you are saying Yajna means Vishnu? This is how you can understand etymology. So here also Kratu Shabda is used in sadhana also, Kratu Shabda is used in phalam also. Okay. Nanu tika Adityasya kratu phalattvena kratutve api kratutve sati api तद हेतु हो अग्नेः आदित्येन सह तादात्म्य योगात् अयुक्तम अग्नेः आदित्यत्वम् इत्याशंक्याः आदित्यस्य क्रतुफलत्वेन आदित्य is the result of the yajna क्रतोः फलम क्रतुफलम क्रतुफलत्वेन आदित्यस्य क्रतुफलत्वेन क्रतुत्वे सति अपि. So this way you can say Aditya is Kratu. But Tad Hetoho Agnehe. Tad Hetu means for the final result. The Karanam is Agni. Agni is the means. And Aditya is the goal, Phalam. So Tad Hetoho Agnehe means of the Karanam, the means. Adityena Saha Tadatmya Yoga. Why do you say Agni is Aditya? Agni is Sadhanam. Aditya is Sadhya. Aditya you can say is Kratu. Phala Tadatmya is there. Kratu ho Phalam. So Kratu itself is Phalam. But here you are saying Agni is Aditya. This is not appropriate. Agnehe Adityatvam Ayuktam. Ityashankyaha Tau Sadhya Sadhanau Kratu Phala Bhutau Agnyadityau. These two are Sadhya and Sadhana. These two are Sadhya and Sadhana. Kratu Phala Bhutau Agnyadityau Sadhya Sadhanau. Yatha Kramam, is it there? No.
Really sadhana.
Agni is Sadhana or Agni is Sadhya?
Sadhana.
Agni is Sadhana, not Sadhana. Sadhana. Agni is Sadhana. Aditya is Sadhya. So the reverse order. You have to understand. Sadhya Sadhanau. Kratu Phala Bhutau. Agni is Kratu Rupa and Aditya is Phala Rupa in this way. Aditya Sa U Punar Bhuya Ekaiva Devata Bhavati. That those two put together, Agni and Aditya, is actually nothing but only one Devata. So what is going on? First you say there is Agni, then Kratu, Yajna, means some Kriya is there. Then result of that is Aditya. They all are different. When we understand everything, then you say Agni and Kratu, they are similar. Because through Agni you are going to accomplish Yajna. So in Kratu, you are going to use this word Agni. And then with Kratu, Aditya, you are going to use one word. Then you say Agni and Aditya, we are going to use one word. And then you say actually all of this is one. Eka eva devata bhavati. टीका क्रतुफलत्वात् तदात्मा सविता क्रतुफलत्वात् क्रतोः फलत्वात् इट्स क्रतु आत्मा इज सविता the
Savita.
essence of that क्रतु is savita सूर्य आदित्य तद हेतुष चित्यो अग्नि its karanam is the chitya agni chitya agni means that agni which whose chayanam I am doing kindle the fire तौ उक्त विभागात् व्युत्पादित उपासनादि व्यापारौ तौ उक्त विभागात् व्युत्पादित उपासनादि व्यापारौ तौ means these two which two agni and savita there is a vibhaga ukta vibhagat vyutpadita upasanadi vyaparo so many tippanis are there agni 12 number tippani tadatma iti anushanga tadatma means you like for me also then he says is reminding tippanikar is reminding tau ukta vibhagat ukta means already mentioned earlier what was mentioned in 13 number tippani satredha atmanam vyapuruta iti ukta vibhagat he divided himself into three agni vayu aditya vayu and tritiya is agni right this in three ways so that vyutpadita upasanadi vyaparo this upasanadi vyapara was vyutpadita means it was already that division was made only so that upasana vyapara is accomplished and that is done that upasana vyapara when it is done then the result is this vyapara santau ekaiva pranakhya devata iti the result of this is I understand there is only one devata then that devata's name is prana means hiranyagarbha so you see here everything culminates back in hiranyagarbha pranakhya devata iti it started from hiranyagarbha and you will see in bhashya also this same thing iti tayoho aikyoktihi ityarthah therefore there is aikya between agni and aditya eka eva iti ukte when you said it is only one eka eva iti ukte प्रकृतयोः अग्न्यादित्ययोः अन्यतर परिशेषं शंकते प्रकृतयोः अग्न्यादित्ययोः of this agni and aditya प्रकृतयोः अग्न्यादित्ययोः अन्यतर परिशेषम अन्यतर means one of them परिशेषम means remaining see in tippani 17 एकस्य अपरस्मिन् अंतर्भावेनैव उभयोः एकदेवतात्वं भवितुम् अर्हति इति कस्य कस्मिन् अंतर्भावेन मुख्यत्वेन परिशेष इति आशयेन शंकते somebody says they both are one so is it like in agni aditya merges therefore it only agni remains or in aditya agni merges therefore only aditya remains eka eva iti ukte eka means eka devata iti ukte prakrutayoho agnyadityayoho between agni and aditya anyatara parishesham one of them should remain so then which one will remain kasa in bhashya kasa devata which devata is that Answer is given Mrutyureva. So this whole Brahmana started with that Mrutyuna eva idam avritam asit. That Mrityu, Ashanaya, that is where everything culminates now. So finally, at least we know where we started from. That is where we have come back. Hiranyagarbha. Mrityu eva. टीका कथम द्वयोः एकत्वम एकत्वे वा कथम द्वित्वम तत्राह द्वयोः एकत्वम कथम if there are two how it is one and if it is one then how there are two means you are saying both are one if there is one then there cannot be two if there are two it cannot be one कथम द्वयोः एकत्वम एकत्वे वा कथम द्वित्वम तत्राह पूर्वमपि eka eva asit. Earlier it was only one. Means in this Brahmanda also, if we have this buddhi, everything was one. We started giving more and more importance to nama rupa, divisions, etc. Like, you know, when you do vichara, somebody says, I am so different, that person is so different, we are actually enemies, this, that, whatever. You see, their ancestor, your ancestor, their ancestor, your ancestor. Like that, you go on up, 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 up. Finally, you say, we both have somebody common. So, same blood is there in both. Only thing is, because it has gone through so many generations, you see Vibhaga. Purvapi eka eva asit. Kriya sadhana phala bhedaya vibhakta. Then Vibhag was done. Kriya, sadhana, phala. You see now all three are discussed. Kriya is kratu. Sadhana is agni. Phala is aditya. So all these three are there. Kriya, sadhana, phala, bhedaya. For this purpose, one was divided into three. Tika. Ukte arthe vakyopakramam anukulayati. And Acharya says, I am not saying this on my own. There was a vakya given in the Upanishad mantra itself. Ukte arthe vakya upakramam anukulayati. Upakrama of this section is in accordance with what we have said. It is anukula. Tathacha uktam satredha atmanam vyapuruta iti. And it was said, he divided himself into three. टीका सा पुनः इति अत्र पुनः इत्यादेः अर्थम निगमयति सा पुनः इति अत्र so that is the next part it is given in the mantra also in mantra it is given so punah correct. So this was on page number 65, first line. So punah. So punah means you have to understand sa u punah in that way. Sa devata punah once again. इत्यादेः अर्थम निगमयति सा पुनः अपि क्रिया निर्वृत्ति उत्तर कालम एका एव देवता भवति क्रिया निर्वृत्ति उत्तर कालम for the sake of accomplishing the kriya. After that kriya is accomplished, kriya nirvritti uttar kalam. Nirvritti means accomplishing. Once that kriya is accomplished, uttar kalam, eka eva devata bhavati. It becomes one devata alone. What is that one devata? Mrutyuhu eva phala rupaha. What is the result? That alone remains. Mrutyureva phala rupaha. 1 number tippani. मृत्यु एव मृत्यु लक्षण प्राणाख्या एव इत्यर्थः. सो मृत्यु मीन्स दैट प्राण हिरण्यगर्भ. टीका. ननु फलकथनार्थम उपक्रम्य प्राणात्मना अग्न्यादित्ययोः एकत्वं वदता प्रक्रांतं विस्मृतम् इति. You started seeing the result. What is the result of this upasana? In between, suddenly you started saying Agni and Aditya, they are one, they are Prana Swarupa, etc., etc. You missed out, you forgot what is our main point of discussion. Agni Adityayoho ekatvam vadata prakrantam. Prakrantam means the one whose prakaranam was going on. Vismrutam, you forgot. Siddhanta says, no, Netya, I have not forgotten. In Bhashya, Yaha Punaha Evam Enam Ashwamedham Mrutyum Ekam Devatam Veda. Yaha Punaha Evam Enam Ashwamedham. The one who knows Ashwamedha as Mrityu. Ashwamedham Mrityum. He knows this Ashwamedha Mrityu in which way? That it is one Devata alone. Means it is one Chaitanya with some Upadhi. Samashti Sukshma Upadhi. There is only one Chaitanya, one presiding principle. Ekam Devatam. Veda. Ahameva Mrityuhu Asmi. What does he know? I am that Mrityu. I am that Hiranyagarbha. Mrityuhu Ashwamedha Asmi Eka Devata Madrupa Ashwagni Sadhana Sadhya iti. It is Madrupa Devata Eka Devata Agni Ashwa Sadhana Sadhya. Means Agni is also sadhana and Ashwa is sadhya.
Sadhana.
Agni is also sadhana, Ashwa is also sadhana. Sadhya is me. Me means who? Hiranyagarbha. Madrupa Devata Hiranyagarbha is sadhya. Ashwa is sadhana. In the Prathama Brahmana, Ashwa was sadhana. In Dvitiya Brahmana, Agni is sadhana. And sadhya is Ashwamedha, you call, Mrityu you call, and that I have to understand, I am that. This kind of tadatmya. This is the upasana. Sadhana sadhya iti. One who knows this, so apajayati punar mrityum. Then what happens to him? Saha punar mrityum apajayati. Punarmaranam sakran mritva punaha maranaya na jayate. Punarmrityum means punarmarana. Apajayati. Apajayati means he will die once. Sakran mritva punarmaranaya na jayate. He will not be born again, die again. He will die once. Means he will not have rebirth. Because if you have rebirth, then again you will have to die. He will not die again. Na jayate. Punarmaranaya na jayate. In other words, he will have krama mukti. Apajito api mrutyuhu. Enam punarapnuyat. Somebody is doing shanka. Even if he has conquered death, maybe again he will die. Why can't he die again? Iti ashankyaha nainam mrutyuhu apnoti. Mrityu will not come back to him again. Tasmat mrityuhu asya eva evam vid atma bhavati. The one who knows this way, means the one who does upasana in this way, he becomes atma of mrityu. This mrityu is which mrityu?
Hiranyagarbha.
No.
हिरण्यगर्भ
This Mrityu is death.
अच्छा
In Bhashya, you see on page number 69, this current page, first line there is a word Mrityu.
या
Mrityu ekam devata. What is that Mrityu?
That is Hiranyagarbha.
फर्स्ट टाइम
Hiranyagarbha.
दिस बॉडी will die हाँ.
That is Hiranyagarbha. Second line, Mrityu Shabda is there. That Mrityu is
Death.
प्रकृत मृत्यु
Death of
what?
death.
Death. So Mrityu, don't get confused. He is Mrityu, he will not get Mrityu. He is Hiranyagarbha, he will not get death again. He is Hiranyagarbhatmaka now. That's why. Apajitopi Mrityu enam punar apnuyat. So he says no, Mrityu will not come back to him again. Kasmat Mrityu asya evam vid atma bhavati. Asya evam vidaha. Sorry, evam vida means evam vidaha. The one who knows in this way, the one who does upasana in this way, he is the Atma of Mrityu. Means this, he is Atma of the death.
दिस परम
Mrityu Hiranyagarbha will become the self of that Mrityu Devata also. The Hiranyagarbha becomes the self of the death also. Kincha Mrityu eva phala rupaha san etasam devatanam eko bhavati tasya etat phalam. Mrityu eva phala rupaha. This Mrityu Hiranyagarbha is the result. Being that as the final result, etasam devatanam, of all devatas, including Mrityu Devata, Agni Devata, Vayu Devata, Aditya Devata, whichever Devata, whatever you used as sadhana, etc., he is the Atma of all of them. Hiranyagarbha. Tasya etat phalam. This is the phalam. Means he does not see anything as different and therefore he has no bhaya. He is one with all. Tika ekatvam abhinnatvam. With this, Dvitiya Brahmanam is complete. Now we are going to enter into Tritiya Brahmana. What is the question?
Swamiji, two questions, Swamiji. One is like here, the Karana Sharira is also included in this, or only Sukshma Upadhi is there? It is directly both Karana and Sukshma Upadhi.
No, Karana is not mentioned here at all. Because this Hiranyagarbha is still Ajnani. Ajnanam is there.
Is Hiranyagarbha Jnani?
Yes.
And then how is that the one?
So far it is not said he has realized. That realization portion is still yet to come. What is the next one? Next question.
Next question it is said the one who knows this Hiranyagarbha alone is all one. Hiranyagarbha alone. He never it dies only once. It is given like that. So that means it is like that is realization.
No, this is Upasana. This is Upasana. We are in Upasana section right now. Up to third Brahmana, this is all Upasana. So Evam Vidaha means the one who does Upasana in this way.
So we just have to take it on face value. I mean, like Krama Mukti type of, because knowing this Hiranyagarbha, this person never.
I already said it is Krama Mukti.
Okay, but Hiranyagarbha is also Ajnani here.
Yes. This discussion will come about Hiranyagarbha. When it is not said that Hiranyagarbha is Jnani, then you don't take it as Jnani unless it comes. Here we will conclude. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।